Hey, what's up YouTube family? I'm back here with another episode for you guys. I'm going to bleach his hair right now, and after that we're going back to the hair straightening. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and comment down below what color I'm going to do for this guy. Stay tuned.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Thank you for watching my video. Before go back to the result, we are at the end the second cream. I'm about to wash his hair. I'm gonna share a little bit about what happened here. My client, Tag, came here at 4 p.m. right? Yeah, and then it's almost 12 a.m. It's been a little bit challenge for me. I've done a haircut, shave, and changed his hair color, and finally keratin. Please subscribe my channel if you are new, and then I really appreciate you. Hope to see you in my salon. Stay tuned.